they have said a circle is inscribed inside a parallelogram and you have to prove that the parallelogram is a rhombus. Now they have already said it's a parallelogram, but before that what do we have? We have this side equal to this side. Why? Because external point, two tangents. Similarly, this equal to this equal to this, and this equal to this. So we have AP equal to AS, BP equal to BQ, and CQ equal to RC or CR, and DR equal to DS. So we have this equal to this equal to this. Similarly, those two sides are also equal. Now what do we, if I do AP plus PB, this plus DR plus RC, this will be equal to, since AP is equal to AS, here I can write AS, instead of PB I can write BQ. Similarly, I can write, instead of DR I can write DS, and instead of RC I can write CQ. Now AP plus PB is AB, plus DR plus RC is DC, equal to AS plus DS is AD, plus BQ plus CQ is BC. So we got this plus this equal to this plus this. But since it's a parallelogram, AB is equal to DC, so I can write, instead of DC I can write AB. So AB plus DC will be 2AB, right? Similarly, AD plus BC, I can write it as AD plus AD, that is 2AD. Now 2 and 2 cancels, I get AB equal to AD. So AB is also equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. So therefore AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Hence, since all four sides are equal, it is a rhombus. The second problem, they have given you this figure. Actually, everywhere it's touching. These are all tangents, and they have said AB, AC and AD are tangents. And they have said AB is equal to 5. We have to find AD. Now, these two are tangents from same external point. So this is 5 centimeters. This also will be 5 centimeters. AB equal to AC equal to 5 centimeters. Also, AC and AD are tangents from same external point, right? Hence, AC will be equal to AD, which is equal to 5 centimeters. So hence AD is also 5 centimeters. Alright guys, now the third question, they have said CP, CQ and AB are tangents to this circle, alright? And they have said CP is 11 and BC is 7, and they have asked us to find BR. So this is R. We have to find this distance. Now what do we have? CP is equal to CQ, right? Because tangents from same external point. So CP equal to CQ. So CP is 11 and CQ can be written as QB plus BC. So 11 and we know BC is 7. So QB will be equal to 11 minus 7, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Now QB is 4 centimeters. Now see, these two are tangents from, again you can consider these to be tangents from same external points. So QB will be equal to RB. QB equal to RB or BR, right? Therefore BR is also equal to 4 centimeters. Since this is 4 centimeters, this also will be 4 centimeters. Now the fourth question, guys, they have given us this figure and they have asked us to find BC. Now I hope none of you have taken this as a right angle triangle, because they have not told it is a right angle triangle. It only looks like one. So unless they have told, or unless you are able to prove it's right angle triangle, do not use Pythagoras theorem for this problem. It is not a right angle triangle. Remember that. Now we have BR and BP as tangents from external point B. So this will be equal to this. So this will be 3, right? Now this is 4. So what happens is AQ is also 4, right? So if AQ is 4, because this is 4, again tangents from external points. The entire line is 11. So how much will this be? 11 minus 4, that is 7. Since this is 7, this also will be 7. Again tangents from same external point. So this also is 7, and we got this as 3, which means BC is 3 plus 7, 10 centimeters. How to write it? You can just write it like this: BR equal to BP. so equal to 3 centimeters. Similarly, AR equal to AQ equal to 4 centimeters. Therefore, what do we have? QC equal to AC minus AQ, which is 11 minus 4 equal to 7 centimeters, and QC equal to PC equal to 7 centimeters, and BC equal to BP plus PC equal to 3 plus 7 equal to 10 centimeters. I hope you guys have understood. Very easy problem. Alright guys, now the next problem, they have told you, they have said this is a circle inscribed in a triangle, and they have told AB is 12 centimeters, BC is 8 centimeters and AC is 10 centimeters, and they have asked you to find AD, BE and CF, right? This and this is what is needed, what you need to find. But now what do we have? Okay, let's say AD is X. So how much will DB be? 12 minus X. Whole thing is 12. If we take this as X, this will become 12 minus X. If this is 12 minus X, this also becomes 12 minus X. Why? Because tangents from same external point. Now this is 12 minus X. BC whole thing is 8. So this part will be 8 minus 12 minus X. If this is 8 minus 12 minus X, this also will be 8 minus 12 minus X. Right, in brackets, because it's 8 minus the whole thing, and since this is X, this also will be X. Now we got all sides in parts. Now what do we have? AD plus DB, that is X plus 12 minus X plus 12 minus X plus 8 minus 12 minus X plus again 8 minus 12 minus X plus X. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this is the sum of all three sides, which will be equal to 12 plus 8 plus 10. 12 plus 8 plus 10. Now plus X minus X cancels. I get 12 plus 12, 24 here, minus X plus 8 minus into plus minus 12 minus into minus plus X plus again 8 minus into plus minus 12 plus X equal to 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Now again I have minus X here, plus X here, which cancels. I have 24 plus 8, that is 32, 32 minus 12, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 28 minus 12, 28 minus 12 is 16, and 16 plus X, 2X equal to 30. So 2X equal to 30 minus 16, so 2x equal to 14, so x equal to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeters, which means AD we have taken as X, AD equal to 7 centimeters. If this is 7, AF also becomes 7, and this whole thing is 10, right? So we have to find CF also, right? CF is equal to AC minus AF. So we get 10 minus 7 equal to 3 centimeters. So this is equal to 3 centimeters, this is equal to 7 centimeters. And BE, we have BE as 12 minus X. So 12 minus X, how much we got? 7. So BE equal to 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is equal to 5 centimeters. So 7, 5 and 3 centimeters. Alright guys, now the next problem, they have given you this figure and asked you to find the value of X. From now onwards, I am not going to write it, I am just going to explain in the figure itself how to get the answers. It's very easy. Whatever you are supposed to write, I think you will be able to write it. Now they have given us, now this is X, right? Okay, actually if I want to make it more clear, I'll do it like this. I'll make the circle like this, and remember X is still the tangent. The value of X is still the tangent. Now this is 32 degree. If you see, this is from circle to center, this is also from circle to center. So this side is equal to this side, which means this is isosceles triangle. So this angle also will be 32, right? Now if you notice, this is the tangent and this is line from center to tangent, which means the entire, this whole angle will be 90 degrees. So what do we have? X plus 32 degrees will be 90 degrees. So x equal to 90 minus 32, which is 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 3, 58 degrees. So the value of x is 58 degrees. Alright guys, now this is the next question. They have given you this angle BAQ and they have asked you to find APB. This is the angle you have to find. Now for this, first I'll do a construction from center to this point, right? Now the entire angle is 105. Now this is a tangent and this is line from center to tangent, which means this much is 90 degree. So this entire angle becomes 90 degree. The whole angle was 105. So this is 90, this will be 15 degree. Right? Now, this side is equal to this side. Why? Because this is also radius, this is also radius, which means this angle equal to this angle, which is 15 degree. Now, if I erase all this and just consider this triangle. See, this is the diameter. Diameter always makes 90 degree with the circle, right? Diameter always makes 90 degree with the circle. So we got 90 degree. Now, how do we find this? This angle plus this angle plus this angle equal to 180. So we have angle APQ plus 90 degree plus 15 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle, which means angle APQ plus 105 equal to 180 degree, which means APQ equal to 180 minus 105, which is 75 degree. So we got this angle as 75 degree. Right guys, this is the next problem, a very easy problem actually. They have told us EBD is 146 and they have asked us to find the value of x. Now if this is 146, how much will this angle be? This entire angle is 180. So angle CBD will be equal to 180 minus 146. That is 34 degree, right? 180 minus 146, correct. So this angle is 34 degree. Now if I erase this, you will notice this angle and this angle is in the opposite segment to this angle, which means this also will be 34 degrees. Guys, please remember this one thing. I forgot to tell you about this in the main module. This angle and this angle will always be equal because angles in the opposite segment. I'll just explain a little bit more here. Now if I have something like this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle because they are angles in the opposite segment. So that is all you need to know to solve this problem. Alright guys, this is the next problem. They have given you this figure and they have given you the points and they have asked you to prove AB plus CQ equal to AC plus BQ. Now how do we do this? Now AB is of the form AP plus, okay, you guys know this, right? AP will be equal to AR, this will be equal to this will be equal to this, that is BP equal to BQ and this will be equal to this. So CQ equal to CR. Alright. Now for AB is nothing but AB plus BP. Okay, I will write it down here. AB, I am taking from this. AB is AP plus BP plus they have CQ, which will be equal to, now AP is equal to what? AP is equal to AR. So I can write AR from here plus BP is equal to BQ from here and CQ equal to CR from here. Now AP plus BP is AB plus CQ and we have AR plus CR, which is AC plus BQ. Hence proved. Alright guys, the next problem, they have given you this figure and they have asked you to prove OE, O dash are collinear, which means it's in the same straight line. So basically you have to prove that this is a straight line. How do you prove? If we can prove this or this is 180 degree, if this entire angle is 180 degree, we can prove that it is a straight line and hence they will be collinear. Now, what do we have? If I join this and this and this and this. What do we have? This triangle is congruent to this triangle. So we get triangle AOE congruent to triangle COE. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. Similarly, here I'll get triangle DOE congruent to triangle BOE. Right? These two triangles are congruent, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, what do I get? Angle, this angle, that is CEO equal to angle AEO. And here I get angle BEO equal to angle DEO. So this angle is equal to this angle. Also, we have this angle equal to this angle. Can you tell me why? Vertically opposite angles. So here, because of the congruency, you can write CP CT. Here also you can write CP CT. And we can write angle AED equal to angle BEC because vertically opposite. Now if I add all these angles, how much do I get? If I add all these angles, I get 360 degrees, right? So if I do angle AEO plus angle CEO plus angle CEB plus angle BEO plus angle DEO plus angle AED. I get 360 degree. But AEO and CEO are equal, right? So I can write it as 2 times AEO plus 2 times AEO plus here CEB and AED are equal, right? CEB and AED are equal. So I can write it as 2 times AED plus BEO and DEO. BEO and DEO are equal. So I can write it as 2 times DEO equal to 360. 2 is common in everything. So if I remove 2 common and when I transpose this to that side, it becomes 360 by 2, which is I get AEO plus AED plus DEC equal to 180 degrees, which means what have I got? This entire sum of all these 3 angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, O dash is a straight line. Therefore, O dash are collinear. Which means they lie in the same straight line. The next problem, guys, they have given you this figure and they have asked you to find angle APQ. So they have asked us to find APQ. Guys, very simple. This is clearly the diameter, right? Because it's passing through the center, which means this will be 90 degrees. If this is 90, this is 30, how much will this angle be? 90 plus 30, 120. So 180 minus 120, 60 degrees. Now this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Angle in the opposite segment. So directly you could have done it. The other way to do it is, instead of finding this, now this angle and this angle are equal. Why? 30 degrees. Angle in the opposite segment, and the whole thing is 180. So how much will this, only this much part be? This whole angle is 180. So this would have been 180 minus 90 minus 30, which would have again given you 60 degrees. They have given you this figure. They have said AB is a chord of length 24. They have said radius of the circle is 13 and tangents at A and B intersect at C. Now what I am doing is I am constructing line. Let's say this is O. Let's say this is P. I am constructing OP perpendicular to AB. So I am constructing this as 90 degrees. So now if you see, if you remember from last year, line from center perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. So this will be 12 centimeters. This will be 12 centimeters. Now here I have got a right angle triangle. So what do I have? OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. So OB square is 13 square equal to OP square. plus PB square is 12 square. Here I get 169. When I plus 12 square, when it comes here, it becomes minus 12 square. That is minus 154 equal to OP square. So 25 equal to OP square. So OP equal to root of 25, 5 centimeters. So I got this as 5 centimeters. Now if you check this triangle, this also will be 90 degree, right? So from triangle PCB, what do we get? Now we get, okay, let this value be x. Let PC be x, or let it be PC itself. So we'll get PC square plus BP square equal to BC square. This square plus this square equal to this square. Now PC is, let it be PC square itself, plus BP square is 12 square, that is 144 equal to, BC square. So I got this one equation. Now if you see this entire triangle, this is 90 degree, this is a right angle triangle. So what do we have? OB square plus BC square equal to OC square, right? But what is OC? Okay, what is OB square? 13 square plus BC square. Here we have PC square plus 144. So PC square plus 144 equal to OC square. OC square is OP plus PC whole square. So OP plus PC whole square. But what do we have? OP is 5 square. Now 13 square 169 plus PC square plus 144 equal to, this is of the form A plus B whole square, remember. So 25 plus PC square plus 2 into 5 10 PC. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now plus PC square will cancel 1, because when this comes this side it becomes minus. 169 plus 144, that is 169 plus, okay, or when I get this side it becomes 169 plus 144 minus 25 equal to 10 PC, right? Correct. So 169 minus 25, 144 plus 144, 288 equal to 10 PC. So PC equal to 288 by 10, that is equal to 28.8 centimeter. So now we got PC as 28.8 centimeter. Now since we have this and we have this, we can find from this triangle again from triangle, okay, we have PC square plus 144 equal to BC square, right, from this triangle. But PC is 28.8 centimeter, but I'll not take it as 28.8. What is PC? 288 by 10. So you can write it as 144 by 5, right? So 144 by 5, I'll write it as 144 by 5 whole square plus 144 equal to BC square, right? Did I get it right? Okay, correct. So we have, okay, I can write this as 144 by 5 into 144 by 5 plus 144. Now I can take 144 common here. So I get 144 into 144 by 5 into 5, 25 plus 1 equal to BC square. How I took 144 outside, what remains? 144 by 5 into 5, that is 144 by 25. Now if I take LCM here, by 1 into 25 into 25. So I'll continue here. I'll get 144 into 144 plus 25 by 25 equal to BC square. Alright? Okay, equal to BC square. This is equal to BC square. So 144 into 144 plus 25, 169 by 25 equal to BC square. So BC is equal to square root of this. So square root of 144 12 into square root of 169 13 by 5 equal to BC. We can split square root. Why? Because everywhere it is multiplication and division. So 12 into 13, 12 into 13, what do we get? 12 3s are 36, 12 156. So we get 156 by 5 equal to BC from here. Alright. So 5 ones are, 5 threes are, ones are 0.2. So I get BC equal to 31.2 centimeter. Little complicated problem, but see, in circles, whenever you have problems like this, try to find as many right angle triangles as possible and use Pythagoras theorem.